Hi, my name is Marina, and I just keep creating introduction videos because I keep learning about how to do it better. So I have like a structure here that YouTube instructs people to do, and I try to, do it better. So what I do is that I read people's charts according to archetype. It's a little different than astrology because what I do is that I think in terms of characters and I try to weave a story together. Anyway, with this channel, what I want to do is to show you, how you can use archetypes in your everyday life because they have helped me and I have created, a way of looking at things. This is my own personal way of using archetypes. And to me, it has helped me immensely. I use it all the time. So, this is what I want to illustrate for you. With this channel, I have two goals. The first one is that, I want to have a platform and reach more people with what I do because I'm preparing a product that I want to be able to offer to more people. And the second goal that I have is that I want you to engage. I want to connect with people. I want to have conversations. And I hope that you do that, that you participate, that you ask me questions. I would really love that above anything else. So I hope that you join me and I hope that you follow and subscribe. And I really hope to hear from you very soon.